Here's how you can complete a security questionnaire with multiple tabs inside of the Privasee Platform. Let's fast forward ourselves into the unfortunate situation where we are on the receiving end of a questionnaire which looks a little bit like this. We've got various different tabs with questions within questions, descriptions to go alongside the questions there as well. And it just looks like a little bit of a headache. Head over to the Privasee Platform, where once you've then created your deal folder, you'll be able to now open the file and attach any submissions that you've received from your customer. For example, we're going to drag in this Excel document that we've just received with various different tabs, questions with inside questions, and we're going to select automated import. Once we hit continue, the platform's now going to take the time to read through each individual sheet and extract all of the questions and the sub-questions out of the document and put them into a workable format for you inside the platform. And as you can see, after no time at all, the platform has now taken the time to export the questionnaire into the platform now. As you can see, we've got a progress bar at the top here, which shows us how far into the actual questionnaire we are. The platform then automatically takes the time to categorize your questions into completed, review, and respond. Remember when we showed you the questionnaire earlier in the Excel format and we had sort of descriptions after the questions itself? As you can see, the platform's done a really good job of extracting all of that information there so that it is all present for you. Once you're ready to start working on the questionnaire, you'll be able to filter through the various different questions by completed, review, and respond. Anything marked as completed here is where we've been able to find a response across either your knowledge base or your document set, which meets that internal confidence score. Any questions which have been flagged for review here is because the platform has been able to find it across your policies or your knowledge base, but we've generated the response here for you. So we just want you to take a quick look at it here and review it before moving it over to completed. If you do want to edit any of these particular responses, you can do so via free text. But we do also have the regenerative features here as well. Here are some custom prompts which are frequently used. But if you prefer to use your own prompts, you can do so using this regenerate button here and providing the platform some context. All responses which are either completed or reviewed provided by the platform will always have the sources attached to them there as well. Once you are completely satisfied with the questions that you've reviewed, you can now perform bulk actions to mark them all as completed there. And once we've worked through the whole questionnaire, you can then go ahead and export that document. And that is how you can complete a questionnaire inside the Privasee platform that has got multiple different tabs and descriptions alongside the question.